So, your Android phone is running slower than a dial-up modem in 2025. App launches all laggy, your keyboard gets lazy, and animations stutter like it's their first time on stage. Don't panic, there is simple fixes to this issue. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you need to root your phone, install a new ROM, or summon the ghost of Android Jelly Bean to fix it. Don't know what that is? Doesn't matter. Today I'm giving you real, effective, no-root tips to speed up your Android device using tools that are already baked into your device. Let's bring your phone back from the dead, one honest tweak at a time. Android's animations look nice when your phone has the horsepower to handle them. But if your phone is from the "I still have a headphone jack" era, it's time to scale it down. Here's how. Go to Settings, then scroll down to About Phone. Tap the build number 7 times to unlock developer options. Now go to Settings, then System, and then Developer Options, and then find these: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Set them all to 0.5 times or off. You'll instantly notice snappier responsiveness. Sure, the eye candy is gone, but it has also gotten rid of its issues, so it'll now run smoothly on your old relic of a phone. Old apps, bloatware, they're like digital barnacles. You don't need 3 different weather apps and a flashlight that asks for camera access. Here's what to do. Go to Settings, then to Apps, and then See All Apps. Look for apps you never use. If you can uninstall it, do it. If you can't, thanks to preloaded bloat, disable it. For deep cleaning, use Files by Google. It finds duplicates, junk files, leftover cached data, even memes from group chats you forgot existed. Your phone's storage and memory will thank you. Live wallpapers eat up CPU cycles and battery. Widgets that refresh constantly, even worse. Ditch the lava lamp home screen. Go for a clean, static wallpaper. Cut down widgets to just what you need, maybe just weather and calendar. Remember, minimalism isn't just aesthetic, it's a performance boost. Most apps don't need to constantly update in the background. Here's how to stop the silent sabotage. Go to Settings, then Accounts, then your Google account, and finally Account Sync. Turn off stuff like Google News, Drive, unless you use it actively, Docs, and Calendar, unless you live in there. The fewer apps that sync in the background, the more your processor and RAM can focus on you, not your digital clutter. When was the last time you restarted your phone? If your answer is, I don't know, maybe when the battery died, that's the problem. Restarting flushes temporary memory, resets lagging processes, and gives your phone a breather. Do it once every few days. Your device will feel fresher, like a mental reset, but for your phone. Some updates fix things, others add a giant new launcher that your device clearly wasn't ready for. Always check Settings, then System Update. Install security patches. Be cautious with major UI updates if you're on older hardware, especially budget phones. Sometimes newer isn't always better, it's just heavier. Let's be blunt, those RAM cleaner or speed booster apps are usually garbage. They close apps aggressively, causing more background reloads, which uses even more battery and CPU. Android is smart enough to manage memory. Some apps are bloated. Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat, they're heavy, constantly sync, and burn battery faster than TikTok burns attention spans. Try Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite, or open them in Chrome using shortcuts. These versions use way less RAM and storage and still do the job, unless you're posting 5 reels an hour. Deleted an app, only to have it come back next time you reset your phone? Yeah, that's Android's restore feature being a little too clingy. Go to Google Play Store, Settings, General, then to Automatically Restore. Turn it off. Now when you clean house, it stays clean. Ghost apps, be gone. Look, none of these tricks will magically turn your phone into a Galaxy S25 Ultra or Pixel 9 Pro, but they will make your Android device faster, more responsive, and way less frustrating to use daily. Your phone deserves a little spring cleaning now and then, especially if it's been loyal for a few years. And if none of this helps, maybe it's time to lay your old faithful phone to rest. And yes, I've got a few budget recommendations that don't suck, but that's for another video. Now go clean up your digital act. And if this helped, hit that like button before your phone lags out again.